sitting and thinking, wondering what to do. Too much time distancing, glad that I have you across the table with your big brown eyes, looking out the window, another rainy sky. Right then I had an idea out of the blue. I'd like to take a walk with you. Walking in the rain, water dripping down our nose. Won't be too long until we're soaked from head to toe. Might seem kinda strange doing what we do. I just wanna take a walk in the rain, holding hands with you.
Life is full of muddy trails, full of puddles too. No need to weave around, just plow on through. Put on your wellies and stomp with all your might. Send that muddy water skyward, right out of sight. Remember what it was like when you were just two. Stomp in the rain, a rainbow's coming soon. Walking in the rain, water dripping down our nose. Won't be too long until we're soaked from head to toe. Might seem kinda strange doing what we do. I just wanna take a walk in the rain, holding hands with you.
Took a walk in the rain, water running down our nose. It's no surprise to us we're soaked from head to toe. Didn't miss a puddle, it's what we do. We'll go inside,
Dry it off,
have some tea.
laugh a lot.
The forecast calls for more of the same. Tomorrow we'll hold hands again and take a walk in the rain.